Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Please continue. Who's reporting now? Attorney Paul. Okay.
Okay, recap ko lang po po. Revenue-wise po, we're doing very well. And we would like to thank all officers again for their efforts. As of today po, and as of last December 8 po na collection, ang total collection po natin general fund, including our national tax allotment of 403 million, is about 1 billion po. So, ang total collection po natin ng all funds is about 1.7 billion. So, as we have emphasized po, we are on track na ma-provide natin lahat ng ibibigay po natin for the employees na natitira po sa season na ito ng Christmas.
Have DBM already released the annual memorandum guidelines for any additional benefits for our JO and or any form of benefits for our JO and COS? Have they?
Mayor, as of now, wala pa rin po.
Okay. Please inform me immediately when it's going to be made public, or if there is. Then we decide on it as soon as possible.
Yun lang po, Mayor.
Okay. Next.
Boss, pwede natin balikan yung NSA 2.1 kay Alex.
Pero let me ask first, MTPB, DPS, and engineering. Yung report about Noche Buena boxes natin since Friday, when we start giving, how many barangays that we already, and how many Noche Buena boxes already?
Good morning po, Mayor. Mula po nung December 5, nakaka 300, almost 350 barangays po tayo.
So that's
Equivalent
about,
to 280,000 boxes po.
okay, that's about
One-third.
one-third. 40%.
Ako. Ang
Power
target date po natin matapos is mga December 16 or 17.
Okay, so today is ongoing.
Ako.
Okay. We try to reach as many as we can in a short period of time so that they can save money, lalo na yung mga mahihirap. Hindi na nila magastos yung pera nila. Kung bibili lang naman sila ng pang Noche Buena, at least meron na silang maitatabi. But they are assured already, no? They are publicly assured that there is something for everyone. Well, una, siyempre, salamat sa taxpayer. If not for them, hindi natin ma-achieve yung goal natin na walang magutom sa Maynila. And thanks to all agencies and department who are efficiently performing in the last quarter. So far, we are still in the road to recovery. We are on the same road since we start this administration. Hindi pa tayo napapalihis. So, on track tayo. May awa ang Diyos. So, NHA,
NSA Alex.
Alex,
As I said kanina, sir, last week, nakapag-meeting kami with the NHA, and then they informed us na biglang bumaba yung budget nila para for the construction of the One Luna residential unit. It's a 20-story, 187 unit for ISM, sir.
good.
We're just waiting for the MOA, pero I requested na sana, Frutiga Manila, ilalagay
Definitely, if it is located
in Manila.
in Manila, most likely our informal settlers will benefit from it, and the renters.
Yes.
Have they adopted the same concept that we have been doing since the past 6 years? That even the renters may able to afford or be afforded to or may avail of such a housing program of the city government?
Sir, wala pa ako info regarding that. Pero
Okay.
with the meeting with the NEDA the week before,
Ah,
NEDA was checking, kino-compare nila yung ating housing versus the housing ng DSUD and ng NHA.
anong sabi nila?
Malayo eh. Hindi sila makapaniwala na it can be done. Yung ginagawa natin. The quality, the design, yung laki ng units, yung ganda, hindi sila makapaniwala. Yung
Have they
second-
heard about the financial aspect of it, the 2,000 pesos per month?
Yes, sir, it was discussed. And I think they computed the figures.
And do they know that it is not a mode of payment?
Yes,
It's going to be brought back or give back to the beneficiary when they retire the house or ang tawag dyan, matapos silang gamitin.
Yes, sir. And yung sinasabi nila, sila na nga nagsabi, ito sa Singapore model. So, alam nila. Alam nila yung Singapore model.
Okay. I hope they will duplicate.
Yes, sir. Mukhang magiging par yung ating ginagawa. Mukhang na magiging pagpapasiya nila sa future housing, sir.
Yeah, I may be sending you some people coming from Metro Manila. They might also do the same and they want to study our in-city vertical housing. So, pag ganun may padadala ako sa inyo mga tao.
Yes, sir.
Yung mga local government wanted to replicate the in-city vertical housing program of Manila. And I'm happy to be of service to them and share the idea. Anyway, nangopya lang naman ako. Hindi magpakopya rin tayo. Bawal mangopya sa loob ng classroom. Sa gobyerno, pwede mangopya pag maganda. Okay?
3.2.